everyone, welcome to Go Get My Guru. In this video, you will be learning about number systems and number system conversion in Python. So what are the number systems you know? Most of you might be knowing decimal number system and binary number system. There are another two types of number system, that is octal and hexadecimal. So what is the difference between these number system? Let's observe that. So binary number system is having base as 2, whereas when it comes to decimal number system, the base is 10, and octal number system, the base is 8, and hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. That means in binary number system, you can have only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Whereas decimal number system, you can have numbers from 0 to 9, and octal number system 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system starts from 0 to 9 and after 9 A to F. So these are 15 numbers. Now we know that how many types of number systems are there. Now let's understand how to convert these number systems from one system to another system. That is, first let us understand decimal to binary conversion. So this we can do in Python. Let's check that how we can do. So this is our ideally. First we'll discuss about decimal to binary conversion. For that we need to make use of inbuilt function, that is bin or binary. So binary of give any decimal number here. I'll give it as 35. So 100011 is binary equivalent of 35. So what is this 0 be here? This is prefixing. Whenever you want to mention a binary number, you have to prefix that with B. B for binary. And so how did we get this number? I hope many of you might be knowing how to convert a number into binary number. Let me just explain you. So now let us discuss how actually this conversion happens. So we had a number 35. So this 35 you should divide by 2 because you are converting it into binary. So the base of binary is 2. So 2, 17 and your remainder will be 1 here. And 2, 8s are 16 and remainder will be 1 here. And then 2, 4s are 8, remainder will be 0. 2 2s are 4, remainder will be 0 again. And 2 1s are 2. So your remainder comes 0. So this is the binary equivalent. Now, so how do you write this binary equivalent? You have to go from lower to upper side, that is this way. So our binary equivalent will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1. Now that we have understood how to convert this decimal number to binary, next we will convert decimal number to octal number. So use oct and then I'll give the same number here. Here you can see that 43 is octal equivalent for decimal number 35. Now let's convert it to hexadecimal. So I'll make use of inbuilt function hex here. So hex of 35. So equivalent hexadecimal number is 23. So this is how we convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Note here that for hexadecimal the prefix is x. And now let's see how we can convert it from binary to other form. I want to convert a binary number to decimal number. For that I'll give integer. Let me take the same binary number which we have obtained in the result. So 0 B, this is your prefix, and 1000111. So what I should get? I should get 35 as my result. Let's run this and check. Yes, we are getting 35 as our result. Now I'll give octal equivalent of this binary number. So 0B 100011. Here you can note that we have got the same result which we have got in line number 2. So can we convert this octal to decimal? Yes, of course you can convert. I should get 35 as my. So here I am getting 43 because I did not use octal prefix here. Let me again do that. 0, 0, 0, 43. So this is your octal number. Now this represents your octal number. I should get 35. And now let's convert 0x 23. So equivalent should be again 35. So by using these inbuilt function, we can convert one number system to another number system. So now we know how to convert number systems using inbuilt functions in Python. Now let's understand how actually the conversion happens given a binary number into decimal number. So we'll take the same example 100,011. So how you can convert this to decimal? So decimal equivalent of this binary number was 35. Let's see how we get 35. So this is nothing but your 2 power 0 or 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. So what you have to do is you have to multiply the respective numbers. So 2 power 0 is 1. So 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1. So it continues like that until here. So 1 into 2 power 0 is 1 plus 2 power 1 is 2 plus 0 because we have 3 zeros. So 0 plus 1 into 2 power 5 is here 32. So 32 plus 2 34 plus 1 35. So you will get equivalent as 35. I hope you are clear with all the concepts of. If you like our videos to support us, leave us a feedback in the comment section. Have you subscribed to our channel? If not, request you to click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next session. Keep coding. Happy learning.